Hello everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel, Selenium Town. Today, we're going to walk through the steps to install Eclipse IDE on Windows 11. Eclipse is a crucial tool for Java developers and is widely used for Selenium and web automation. So let's get started. Step 1. Download Eclipse IDE. To start, open your Chrome browser or any browser and search for Eclipse. Step 2. Install Eclipse IDE. Once the file is downloaded, open your Downloads folder in File Manager. Locate the Eclipse installer file you just downloaded and double-click on it to start the installation. Step 3. Verify the Eclipse IDE installation. Once Eclipse IDE is completely installed, let's open it and write a simple Java program to check if everything is set up correctly. Press Ctrl Shift and plus to zoom out the screen. With this setup complete, Eclipse IDE is now ready to use on your Windows 11 system for all your Java and web automation projects. Thank you for watching this tutorial on Selenium Town. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tutorials and tech tips. See you in the next video.